Okay, students, now we'll continue with the lesson. Again, see page 9, the second last paragraph. With a burst of celebration. अभी बहुत खुशियाँ हो गई सबको. Why? Because Jenny was found and the Fritz family, that is the Robinson family, were very, very happy that they got to know more people who had come to their nearby island. The family, passengers, and crew of the British vessel. Now, what do you mean by British vessel? The British ship. What means vessel? Please underline this word. Vessel means ship. Headed towards New Switzerland. Now, all of them, they were on another island. Now, all of them came back to the island where the Robinson family was staying. That is where? To the New Switzerland, because they call it the New Switzerland. Everyone was amazed. Amazed means shocked, surprised. Yes, they were shocked and surprised by the prosperity. Prosperity means the development, the richness, because these people, the Robinson family, had made that island a very beautiful place now. Very nice for them to stay. So it was a prosperous. Prosperous means what? A very rich and happy. And good health of the survivors. And the survivors who stayed on the island, because see, their ship was almost drowning, but still for all they took courage, they came on the island and they were surviving there, living very happily, and everyone were happy about it. As the day ended, the father realized that decisions must be made about who wanted to stay on the island or return with the ship, because now the ship, the British ship, which had come in search of Jenny Montrose, was going to go back. Okay, so now the father thought, now as I told you, the father was very intelligent person, a very wise man, and he decided, he told this, that suggestions, he suggested that some decisions, yes, have to be made. And what decision? Who is going to stay? Who is going to go with the ship? Elizabeth and her husband did not wish to live anywhere but on the island. Now the father and the mother, that is Elizabeth and her husband, they did not want to go anywhere else but wanted to live on this island itself, because this has become their home. They had been there for so long. Now they had been there for so long, so much time had become for them there, and had grown used to their life. Yes, used to their life. They had been there for so long that had become their life. Yes, had grown used to their life. Jenny asked if anyone would support her return to England. Now Jenny asks, is anyone ready to come back with me? Yes, support her return to England. Fritz was the first to respond. Now Fritz was a young boy, Jenny a young girl, and naturally Fritz was very happy. He at once responded यानी तुरंत उसने जवाब दिया. He offered cheers for us. और उसने क्या बोला? Hip hip hooray, I am also going to go with you. Okay, who were going to Europe? Yes, Europe, because England is in Europe. Ernest, on the other hand, wanted to stay on the island. Ernest wanted to stay on the island. Okay, wanted to stay on the island. Jack also decided to stay back. So, two boys, mother, father decided to stay back on this only island. Franz, the youngest boy, yes, he was quite small, school-going boy. So, he decided that he would go back with Fritz and Jenny. Franz, the youngest boy, decided to join Fritz in leaving. Leaving means going back to where? London, England. Franz wanted a chance to receive an academic education. Academic education, a school education, because he was young. he decided that he wanted some education. Before Fritz left, he told his parents of his love for Jenny. Because see, just like Hindi film, how the hero saves the heroine, here Fritz had saved Jenny and he fell in love with her. So he told his parents that he had fallen in love with Jenny and his wish to marry her. Yes, उसकी इच्छा थी कि उससे शादी करने वाला है. The father had kept a record of all the adventures. Now all celebrations, everything over. Yes, सब तैयारी हो चुकी थी जाने की. Yes, Fritz and Jenny marrying. The youngest boy decided to go. The other two and mother father decided to stay back. Okay, but you know the father, as I told you, William, was very wise person and intelligent. Yes, he had kept a record. जो भी हुआ था right from day one, what had happened on the island, he had kept a record of what they did, how they managed, how they built the houses, what they ate, what they grew, how the elephants came and destroyed their crops. All records सब लिख के रखा था. And he had kept it, father had kept a record of all the adventures they had on the island. यानी जो भी आइलैंड पे उन लोग के साथ जो भी एडवेंचर्स हुए, yes, he kept a record. He handed over the journals to the captain. Now he had kept a written record, and the journals means the books, he handed over it to whom? The captain of the ship, to be published. Yes, so that it should be published. Then the ship departed. Okay, all bye, everything was said, and the ship departed where? Departed for England. Okay, so that was a very happy ending. Yes, students. Yes, so you can know, like living in a family, and when you cooperate with your family members, एक जंग जैसे जीत जाते हैं हम लोग. Like that only, you also have to be cooperative with your family. You have to love your family people, your family members. Yes, and live together with them. How they also prospered. Yani they became rich. They developed the island. Otherwise, if they would not be in agreement with each other, naturally, what would have happened? Would they survive? वो लोग जिंदा रह सकते थे? No. They lived happily on the island because the boys, the 4 boys, यानी जो 4 लड़के थे, they listened to their parents. They obeyed their parents. Their parents also taught them good things, wise things, how to live. Yes, over that, to add to their happiness, came Jenny Montrose, the girl who was lost. So here we come to know they also helped people in distress. Yes, the people, that is Jenny, who was stranded on the island. So like that, the happy ending was there. The ship departed. The father who had written all the records, yes, had given the books, and that is how we come to know what had happened on the island. The journals were then published. You know what is published? It was made into books. Yes, it was made into books. It is a big novel. This particular lesson is just a part of the novel. But there are many more adventures that the family had on the island, because it was almost 10 years that they had lived. Yes, on the island, and for many more years. But still, for all, after the ship going also, they stayed on. Who stayed on? The mother, father, and the 2 boys, the 2 younger boys. Yes, Fritz and Franz had gone. Yes, I suppose Fritz and Franz. Yes, no, yeah, Fritz and Ernest had gone. Franz and Jack stayed back with their parents. Now in the next part, we will do the exercises. Okay, students, at that time I want you all to have your books with you all, and also write all what I'm saying. Okay.